How to make long reels on Instagram. Well, the very first thing we're going to do is to upload a reel to our Instagram. So in order for us to do that, we just need to tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. You just have to tap on Camera. Now, once we're here, all we have to do is to make sure that we look upon this section of the camera. Now, in order for us to make a long reel, all we have to do is to tap on this button right here, which is the length or duration of capturing a reel. So in order for us to make a long reel, we just have to tap on that. And it will give us an option whether we want to shoot or capture a video for 15 seconds or for 30 seconds, for 60 seconds or 90 seconds. It gives us various options to choose from. Let's say 30 seconds right there. Now we can capture a reel for about 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and when we choose 90 seconds right here, we are able to make long reels for up to 90 seconds. So that's how to make long reels on Instagram. Hope we helped.